red dot or blue dot.
Chromate is the source of chromate is your FeCr2O4, and the source for your potassium is carbonate source. The potassium carbonate is present freely in air. So now we are taking FeCr2O4. Okay, we are taking FeCr2O4 plus potassium. If you need to prepare a potassium, so we are taking directly potassium carbonate, we can take, otherwise we can take sodium carbonate. To avoid confusion, so we are taking sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. So when these two are interacting, as per your knowledge, we can give plus and minus charge like this. So obviously plus is going to attack with minus of the other compound, and minus of this we're going to combine with the plus of the next compound. So you just write like this: FeCO, Fe2CO3 or Fe2O3 you can write. Then the major product. First we'll write the major product. It becomes Na2CrO4. Na plus Cr2O4. It's combined to form Na2CrO4. So now let us write the remaining products. So iron is remaining. So FeO3, ferrous oxide, ferric oxide plus carbon dioxide. So can you make a balance out? Balance ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So when FeCr2O4 ferrous dichromate is combining with your sodium, it will give sodium chromate plus ferric oxide and carbon dioxide. Please give me a balance out equation. So what happened? Your sodium chromate from the first reaction, it's interacting with hydrogen, that is, you can call it as protons. When those two are combining, they'll form a dichromate productivity of sodium, that is called sodium dichromate. So now equation, balance it. I think it doesn't take much more time. So what happened? From your sodium dichromate, you need to replace the sodium in terms of potassium. So what you are doing? You are replacing that sodium with your potassium by using the source of sodium. By using the source of potassium is called potassium chloride. So now what happened? Because of the positivity, because of the electropositivity, sodium is released out and potassium takes the place of sodium, and it will become potassium dichromate. Artha aita? So can you balance it out? It's simple. So you need to write 2KCl, 2NaCl. Kavya, yes, right, correct. Kavya, Meghana, correct. What does the property says? Property says that it's a strong oxidizing agent. Your potassium dichromate will give you a strong oxidizing agent, and it is more soluble in water in terms of salts. Okay, in terms of salts, it is more soluble, and the primary standard we are using this chromate has an volumetric analyzer. That's in volumetric analysis, we are using it as primary standard. Okay, so what is my primary standard? We are just uploading it and we are comparing the reading of other solution with this solution. This is called primary. So ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಓಕೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ. So it's of iodine to iodine. So chromate Cr2O7 plus 14H plus 6 electron will give you Cr plus 3, 7H2O. Next, if you are the iodine ಹೇಗಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? It will give you like this I2 plus 6C minus. So the overall reaction will be like this: minus 2 plus 14H plus 6 electron, sorry 6 iodine. Okay, 6 electron from here, 6 electron from here going to cancel, gives rise to Cr plus 3 plus I2 plus 7 H2O. This is called how this chromate will interact with your iodine. Chromate iodine ಜೊತೆ ಹೇಗೆ react ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, copy down the reaction. Next have sulfide. Same, this first reaction will remain same for all. You need to change the second reaction. So the second reactivity is sulfides to sulfide, sulfur. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ iodine to iodine ಅಲ್ವಾ? Iodide, sorry, ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪರಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Iodide means I minus to iodine, I2. So here sulfides, it means to say H2S to H plus S. So this is your second reaction. So this first reaction will remain same. Second reaction is this one, and write the complete overall reaction. These are the properties of your potassium dichromate. They are going to ask you like this: what happens when an chromate is interacting with your iodine andaga ee reaction barade saku. Okay, so sulfur, write the overall reaction for sulfides. So sulfides in the sulfuric baridi. So hagene I'll write the mid reaction. ನಾನು second reaction ಬರಿತೀನಿ. Stannous, SN2, stannous to stannic. So I'll write the second one. Sn plus 2 gives rise to Sn plus 4 plus 6 electron. Then ferrous to ferric. Ferrous to ferric. So ಇದು oxidation state. Now ಇದರ bracket ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ this will be of oxidation state. 6 Fe plus 2 gives rise to 6 Fe plus 3 plus 6E minus. So first write the first reaction. This reaction will remain same for all the reactions, and second reactions what I'm giving here. So just write like this and write the overall reaction. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, overall reaction ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So apart from this